irrigation, roads and other works. Strengthen the local governance by releasing long-pending liabilities of rupees 2,488 crore of finance commission aid grants, as promised by NDA in the current assembly sessions to rebuild the state of AP, capital Amravati, and Polavaram irrigation projects have been brought back onto the track. The revival of steel plant and the formation of railway zone are a testament to our commitment to the people of Andhra Pradesh. We have laid a strong foundation by launching 22 new policies that will drive sustained growth and prosperity. I am proud to share that our efforts are already showing results. We are attracting global giants like Google, ArcelorMittal Steel Company, Tata Power, Grenco Group, BPCL, TCL, and others with massive investments. To date, investors have pledged investment of rupees 6.5 lakh crore with an employment potential of 4 lakh jobs. As per the first advance estimates for 2024-25, Andhra Pradesh economy has expanded to rupees 16 lakh crore, up from 14.22 lakh crore last year, an impressive nominal growth rate of 12.94%. Our per capita income has also increased to rupees 2.6 lakhs, up from 2.3 lakh in the previous year. This progress is powered by strong performances across all key sectors. Agriculture and allied activities have grown at 15.86%, industries at 6.71%, and services at 11.70%. As the great social reformer, late Kandukuri Veerasalignam Garu had said, Avakashalu iste prati manishilo meti naipunyam velu gunduntundi. Means, given opportunities, excellence shines forth in every individual. My government is now embarking on this pioneering journey towards Swarna Andhra at 2047. For any society to truly prosper, welfare and development must go hand in hand. They are two sides of the same coin. Without one, the other falters. Andhra Pradesh is committed to striking this balance, ensuring that economic progress and social welfare are intertwined. This approach is not just about building roads or industries. It is about building lives. It is about creating a society where everyone, from farmers to students, women to marginalized communities, can thrive. This dual focus is the need of the hour, a balanced approach that reduces inequalities, provides opportunities, and bolsters growth. Together, welfare and development create a virtuous cycle where progress is inclusive, sustainable, and transformative. The Honorable Chief Minister was the pioneer in empowering women through self-help groups in India. As early as in 1995, self-help groups were made a pivotal role of the state's economic activity by encouraging entrepreneurship, becoming a role model and proof of concept for the entire country. SHGs are transforming the lives of millions of women and their families. The growth of SHG bank linkage in state of Andhra Pradesh is phenomenal. AP stood at first position in the country with 30% of the national share and with 99.66% recovery under SHG bank linkage program with yearly bank linkage disbursement of rupees 35,000 crores in rural areas. At the same time, the Honorable Chief Minister also led the IT revolution, laying the foundation for Hyderabad to emerge as a global technology hub. Due to the state's early focus on IT, the Telugu diaspora has witnessed this transformation firsthand, with the per capita income of non-resident Telugus being among the highest in the USA. Now Andhra Pradesh is leading another revolution from IT to AI, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to shape the future of governance, industry, and economic growth. My government has envisioned Padi Sutralu, 10 guiding principles that define our vision for a prosperous future of Swarna at 2047. First, zero poverty. Number 2, human resources development and population management. 3, skilling and employment generation. 4, water security. 5, farmer agri-tech. 6, global best logistics. 7, cost optimization, energy and fuel. 8, product perfection. 9, Swachhandra. 10, deep tech integration. Now first, Swarna Andhra at 2047. My government, guided by the vision of Viksit Bharat, is implementing a comprehensive roadmap to achieve Swarna Andhra at 2047 with a people-first approach. By focusing on a 15% plus growth rate, the state is leveraging its unique inner strengths to become a rupees 308 lakh crore economy with a per capita income of rupees 58 lakhs to become wealthy, healthy and happy, sustainable and most livable society by the year 2047, making 100 years of independent India. Zero poverty. Achieving zero poverty is the next few years through empowering individuals and families is a prerequisite in the journey of Swarna Andhra at 2047. We have launched the NTR Bharosa, which is the single largest welfare program in India to provide pensions at the doorstep on 1st of every month. No other state has such a massive DBT welfare scheme. Under the scheme, the monthly pension for senior citizens has been increased from rupees 3,000 to rupees 4,000, for differently abled rupees 3,000 to rupees 6,000 per month. Overall, around 60